Since the beginning, Torklift has sought out unusual product opportunities. With the release of the first model vehicle by Tesla, the Roadster, Torklift took a leap and developed the first and only hitch designed to suit it, the Roadster EcoHitch. Now with the release of the Model 3, we're here to innovate and create the accessories it deserves. What does it mean to own a Tesla? A few things come to mind. Advanced technology, smart design, performance. These are all things that we strive to uphold. At Torklift's Retail Product Development Center, we have the technology to outfit any vehicle. Our team of engineers use the latest in design technology, cutting-edge 3D scanner, 5-axis water jet, and CNC 4K fiber optic laser. We've developed the perfect upgrades to fit the Model 3, giving you the luxury of choosing your own adventure without permanently altering the look or integrity of the Model 3. The Law No Drill front license plate bracket. The UnderCover, an axis port cover for the hitch receiver when it's not in use, preserves the factory aerodynamics of the Model 3 and minimizes entry of dirt or debris. And finally, the hitch, designed to be concealed, has a removable receiver adapter, so when not in use, it's virtually undetectable. Take off into the future with Tesla Model 3 and EcoHitch.